More than 10 years ago, Roku introduced its first digital media player in collaboration with Netflix. The company popularized the concept of low-cost, small-form boxes designed for an extraordinary media experience. In the market for digital media players, Roku has considered to be influential. Roku devices also allow us to access streaming media content from various online services in the comfort of our home. So join us as we reveal the 5 best Roku media devices on the market that'll help you feel like you're watching movies in the cinema. Now let's begin. At number 1 is the Roku Streaming Stick Plus. It's designed for long-range connectivity. With its wireless receiver that's 4 times the normal range, you can enjoy your favorite shows and movies anytime, anywhere. You can even use it in rooms far away from your router, like your basement or even backyard. With the brilliant HD, 4K, and HDR picture quality of this Roku device, you can sit back, relax, and enjoy theater-like movies in the comfort of your home. It also features a wide range of entertainment from free TV, live news, sports, movies, and more. You can enjoy it all without spending extra money. Roku Streaming Stick Plus also allows you to control your streaming and adjust the volume with just one remote. You don't have to worry about using so many different remotes. Just turn on your TV, adjust the volume, and start streaming. You can also use your voice to search across different channels with the free Roku mobile app. The Roku Stick Plus also allows you to listen privately on your headphones with its free Roku mobile app. Just plug the headphones into your remote and you don't have to worry about disturbing the whole house with louder volumes from your favorite shows. The device is so easy to set up. Just plug it in, connect to the internet, and you can start streaming. It's also great for wall-mounted TVs with its power cord that can easily be hidden behind. At number 2 on our list is the Roku Ultra streaming media player. This is positioned as Roku's flagship box for cord cutters. This device is great for heavy streamers, for living rooms and primary TVs. Also for home theaters with top-of-the-line media player and a quad-core processor that launches channels faster than ever. The streaming media from the Roku gives you the brilliant picture quality with its 4K, HD, and HDR resolutions. Enjoy quality pictures that are optimized for your TV with sharp resolution and vivid color from a wide range of options that you can choose from. You can stream movies and series on Netflix, the Roku channel, HBO, Showtime, Google Play, and alternatives like Hulu. If you're sapped with multiple button presses, this device also features a one-touch control using your voice to set your personal shortcuts. You can launch your favorite playlist, search for your favorite actor, turn on the captions, and even more. The device is a lost remote finder feature, so you won't have a hard time looking for it when you accidentally lose or drop it. Simply press the button on your player and your remote will play a sound so you can quickly find it. This media player has a USB and micro SD ports that can be used for local playbacks and add extra channel storage. It also comes with an Ethernet port for wired streaming. The Roku Ultra comes with premium JBL headphones that you can use to pump up the volume of your shows without disturbing the whole house. Did you find the Roku device of your dreams in those first 2 products? Both are convenient and easy to use, but if you still haven't found the right one, we've got 3 more to go. Click on the subscribe button to become part of our community, and don't forget to tap the bell icon to get instant notifications when we upload a new review. And now back to our list. At number 3 is the Roku Premiere streaming media player. This product is great for 4K and HDR TVs, first-time streamers, and secondary TVs. Experience your favorite shows with stunning detail and clarity at an incredible value. This media player offers endless entertainment that you can choose from in a snap. You can stream your favorites with ease, from movies and TV series on Apple TV, Netflix, Disney+, the Roku channel, HBO, and Showtime, to cable alternatives like Sling and Hulu, along with live TV. You can enjoy the most talked about TV across free and paid channels. The included premium HDMI cable allows you to connect it easily. Just plug it into your TV and connect to the internet to start streaming in minutes. It provides a quick setup, easy on-screen experience, and it can be controlled using your iOS or Android mobile device. Just download the free Roku mobile app and start searching with your keyboard. You can also enjoy the Roku voice feature that lets you search quickly for entertainment, controls, and more with your voice. This player also features private listening on your mobile device. Use the Roku mobile app to pump the volume on your shows without worrying if you're going to disturb someone else. With its automatic update feature, you can get the most up-to-date and newest features without even thinking about it. It also comes with a simple remote with shortcut buttons that are for popular streaming channels that are easy and fast. At number 4 is the Roku Express HD streaming media player. The Roku Express is not only excellent for new users, but powerful enough for seasoned pros with its step-by-step setup and easy on-screen experience. With the Roku Express, you can stream your favorites easily, from movies and series on Netflix to Amazon Prime Video to cable alternatives like Sling. You can enjoy the most talked about TV shows across free and paid channels without having to pay for monthly equipment fees. With the Roku channel, you can also stream free TV channels like 24/7 news, sports, movies, shows, and a huge collection of free entertainment from the top channels on Featured Free. The unbiased search makes it easy to find entertainment for free or a lower cost. You can cut back on your cable TV bills and pay only what you want. The Roku Express comes with a simple remote that's incredibly easy to use. It features shortcut buttons to popular streaming channels like Netflix, Disney, Hulu, and Sling. It also enables you to listen privately on your mobile device. Using the Roku mobile app, you can increase the volume of your favorite shows or movies without disturbing others. The Roku app also makes your iOS and Android devices into the ultimate streaming companion. Setting up this media player is extremely easy. Just plug it into your TV, connect to the internet, and you can start streaming. It also updates automatically to give you the latest software, features, and new channels. At number 5 is the Roku SE 2020 model. It's one of the most affordable options from Roku. It's the simplest way to stream at the best price it can offer. This SE 2020 from Roku lets you stream easily from free, live, and premium TV over the internet and right to your home. It offers tons of fun from movies and series on Apple TV, Netflix, Disney+, the Roku channel, HBO, and Showtime, not to mention cable alternatives like Sling and Hulu with live TV. Just like our other 4 devices, you can enjoy the most talked about TV across free and paid channels. The Roku device also allows you to stream live TV, 24/7 news, sports, movies, shows, and more from the free Roku channel, plus other channels like PBS, the CW, and CBS News. Plus, with the Featured Free on your home screen, you're one click away from a huge selection of free movies, in-season TV episodes, and more entertainment from top channels that won't cost you a dime. The Roku SE comes with a high-speed HDMI cable and power cord, so you can easily plug it into your TV and connect to the internet to start streaming. It also comes with an easy-to-use remote that features shortcut buttons to popular streaming channels. And just like the previous 4 devices, it offers a quick, easy setup and automatic software updates. Well, that sums up our review of the 5 best Roku devices available today. Choose the one that best fits your preferences. To know more about the products, you can click the links in the description box below. If there's a product out there you'd like to see us review, mention it in the comments section, and our team of researchers will get to work to give you a fair and square, honest review. We hope our list helped you find the best Roku media player for your house. That's all for today. We'll see you next time here at the ReviewTube channel.